In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an email into Zendesk support so it seamlessly becomes a ticket and how to forward tickets out of Zendesk. First off, we're diving into forwarding an email into Zendesk support. Picture this. You have a dedicated email for customer support, like support@yourcompany.com, and you want every message sent to it to automatically transform into a ticket in Zendesk. This setup helps streamline your support process and ensures that no customer query goes unanswered. To start, you'll need to configure your email server or host to automatically forward emails sent to your support address to your Zendesk support address, such as support@your account.zendesk.com. This is a crucial step, and I can't emphasize enough the importance of setting it to automatic forwarding instead of manual forwarding by individuals. Why? Because manual forwarding can lead to ticket suspensions, potentially causing delays in your ability to address your customers' needs. Also, be mindful of avoiding multi-forwarding, which means forwarding through multiple email addresses before reaching Zendesk, as this can lead to Zendesk incorrectly identifying the original sender of the email. Next, head over to the Zendesk Admin Center. Navigate to the Channels section, select Email, and then Support Addresses. Here, you'll want to add your external support email address if it hasn't been added already. Adding this address ensures that Zendesk recognizes emails coming from it as valid support requests that should be turned into tickets. Make sure the forwarding is verified at this stage. This verification lets Zendesk confirm that your email address is genuine and helps your system run smoothly. For those interested in enhancing their brand's image and email deliverability, it's recommended to set up SPF and DNS records so that Zendesk can send outgoing notifications appearing as though they're from your company's domain instead of the default zendesk.com domain. This step isn't mandatory, but it's incredibly beneficial for maintaining brand consistency in your communications. Before wrapping up on this part, it might be a good idea to test your setup by sending an email to your external support address and checking if it appears in Zendesk as a ticket. Seeing this in action will provide you with peace of mind, knowing everything's working like a well-oiled machine. Once your emails are successfully landing as tickets in Zendesk, you can leverage the platform's robustness by using triggers, views, and sorting rules. This means you can route tickets based on the support address they were received at, or according to particular conditions or queries sent by your customers. For example, tickets received at support@yourcompany.com can be categorized under specific criteria, ensuring the right tickets are directed to the right team members. This setup not only enhances efficiency, but ultimately leads to a more satisfied customer base. And there you have it. With this process, you can effectively manage incoming support requests through Zendesk, ensuring a seamless experience for both your team and your customers.